We are playing as the engineer today. Looking to get a monsoon win on day one. Going for the void ending or the false sun ending. Oh, that's tough to hit with them. Okay, so the grenades are no good. So let's try and set up a nice turret area. And they kill shit. Okay. And that does a bubble shield for everything around. Damn. Okay, this is gonna be very different. Very, very different. Oh! Wait, I thought we were protected by that. Apparently not. Come here, false sun. You get so much less items with this boss. Holy, one less stage is crazy. So I think we want to spread out. And then set up some things when he goes after that one. Damn. I don't have a turret. Nope. It was not gonna happen. Okay. We will be smarter this run. That was just brute forcing it. That wasn't gonna happen. Okay, let's look at what we unlocked though. Spider mines. Syringe. Luminous shot. I mean, okay. I don't know how good that's gonna be. I already have a ton of my secondary, so that's one thing. It's gonna be activating a lot. Get 4 tri-tips. Well, I guess needle ticks now. I do want some healing, but not yet. It's definitely a game that I'm better at than Risk of Rain. Maybe I should have taken coffee cup. Both are good. There it is. There it is. Oh, fuel cell. So I can get 3 turrets now? Alright, let's go. We're gonna want to be around our turrets when we level up. There we go. No! They're all alive. Killed them both. Okay. Chilling. Oh, sure. I think more syringe. Sure. I'll take the shuriken. Credit card, I can get all 3 of these. Oh yeah. Jace. This is fucking... ridiculous is what this is. Sure, death mark. The shurikens are amazing. Getting to this boss is easier, but killing this boss is much harder. Because you get so much less items. You don't get to loot on this stage whatsoever. Hello, buddy. Oh my gosh. He kills him so fast. Okay, number 1. Oh shit. Ah, shit, that hurts so much. I need to get behind the fucking thing. Phase number 2. Oh, right. How do I get my attack back? Is the question. How long am I out? Okay. No! I didn't even get to set it down first. You bitch. Get the fuck away from me. No! It's over here. We beat him. We beat him. Engineer busted. What the fuck? Now what? Does that mean I win? Oh, I only got to choose one. Let's see. Touch it? Is that a win? We'll see. Offer item. You can have this. Oh, that is a win. Woo! Easy peasy. 3 runs. All it took was 3 runs.